OTB. Congratulations. And the race is on. Flores, Gold, Kugat, Da Vinci, Danori inside is Don. Edward's Best, Diamond Dane, Lucky Fine is the early trailer. Flores by about 2 lengths, followed by Da Vinci in second. Gold Kugat racing in third by about 2 lengths, running by the row by half a length is Don. Edward's Best, Diamond Dane, Lucky Fine is still running at the tail of the field by about 7 or 8 lengths of the leader. Back to the leader, Flores by Anak. Da Vinci is racing on the outside. Then here comes Gold Kugat. Is getting closer and stronger in third. And racing in for Diamond Dane, Don Edwards West, and Lucky Fine still running at the tail of the field as the action swing towards. Nice stretch run with a favorite. Gold Kugat is now the leader. Flores, Danori inside Da Vinci, Diamond Dane and Lucky Fine. Gold Kugat by a length and a half. Flores in second, Da Vinci. Gold Kugat, Flores, and nearing the finish line, the favorite, number 6, Gold Kugat. Flores, Da Vinci, Lucky Fine, Diamond Dane, Edward's Best. Come.